Oh my god, hi, so are you thirsty? Yeah, I know. So we'll be serving you drinks, okay? We got tea, coffee, and coke, so literally enjoy your flight. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be serving drinks in about 5 minutes. Tea is our only option. If you want a coffee, please get off the plane now.Hello, everyone. Happy Mai. We'll be serving drink to all of you now. There is a lot of sugar in all of drink. Congratulations, Naga. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be serving drinks to you. All drinks are available for a fee. Tea, coffee, and coke, all for $20. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ampu.Well, we're going to be handing out drinks, but we forgot to load them on the plane. So just drink water. Thank you.
Pork or fish?